Hi, I recently took the Botox and filler training class with Carrie, and prior to going into the class, I was hoping that I would be more confident with Botox dilution and injections and knowing the amount to give each patient. After the hands-on training with Carrie, I couldn't believe after one day I felt so confident and willing to provide this service to my patients. She was professional, she was fantastic at explaining things, the right amount of hands-on help, and then letting us during the rest of the day get used to performing the injections on our own. So I would highly recommend the hands-on portion. The training videos prior to the hands-on I did not think were as informative. I think it might have been better actually to review some of that after the hands-on, because it seemed a little like I was completely unsure actually what some of the areas that they were talking about were. So that would be my only suggestion, but otherwise I've already recommended the course to several people and will continue to do so. Thank you.